Salut die Leute, es sind den Elementarian vom Ratte 4. Geht weiter mit Life is Strange, yay! Und in die letzte Folge ist der Tag abgegangen, Chloe sein Kerl, angeschossen gehen Tipp, der Schrottplatz da. Dann hat sich dann Schiene verfahren, dann ist es da quasi vom Zurück gehen. Wir müssen Zeit müssen zurückdrehen, für das sie überhaupt überlebt und für das wir retten können. Das heißt, wir sind effektiv wirklich rum ein Superheld. Und Chloe ist natürlich rum für 2 geschossen gehen und die Rand gehen. Und irgendwer ist immer hat. Eieiei. Wir sind aber froh mit dem. Und halten das auch weiter mit dem ab. Da kommen wir an die. Ich meine, die nennt Folge. Also den engten Deel von der Folge Episode von der Episode 2. Oh Gott, Freimorgen. Und ich denke, dass man es so löst dem Ende von der 2. Episode.
I have a little time before Mr. Jefferson's class, so I can do some wandering.
I can do some wandering.
So are you going to that Vortex Club party?
Ich bin gespannt, was da löst.
Justin always looks stoned. If I was normal, I'd be super excited about going to a major shindig.
Ja, da geht er wirklich. Ich bin mal gespannt, was da los ist. Auf seiner Party. Geh schon von Genki gucken. End of the World Party.
It's the invasion of the Vortex Club.
Ja, kann wahrscheinlich ziemlich witzig sein, mich. Fetten, dass sie da Poeng fertig auf den Deckel kriegen.
I swear, Principal Wells always looks distressed.
Geil. Immer so granzig und ungespannt.
Sir?
Oh, hello, Max. I hope this isn't about the alleged gun incident.
No. Never mind.
Glad to see you weren't about to accuse another student of something or other. Now, if you excuse me.
Damn it. Wollen wir mal probieren, wir können bestimmt.
I have a meeting. Excuse me.
Ja, ich gesehen, wenn stehst du so pissig da. So mal Zeit direkt rein und ein bisschen. Na komm, ne, es sind nicht Streiter. Ich probiere natürlich schön brav und schön.
Good thing I left my AK at home.
Ha, egal was, gun-free zone. Ja, ich will heute nicht zu viele Leute pissen können.
I should feel lucky to be here.
Schon unter dem ursprünglichen Jahrhundert.
If only I knew what David Madsen was really up
Hass
to.
nicht wie Pest.
Excuse me, Mr. Madsen?
I know things got a little heated yesterday in Chloe's room. Was that really your reefer?
Ja, das war mein, die beschützen Chloe nach immer.
Yes, it was. You know that marijuana is almost legal in Oregon. I can get it at Blackwell. Are you gonna bust me now, Mr. Madsen?
Even I'm not that much of an asshole. And I am sorry about yesterday. I was wrong, but upset.
What?
Cannabis is not a big deal to you, but it has been to Chloe.
You're a combat veteran. She's no threat to you.
If I didn't care about her, I wouldn't care at all. When I was her age, I was out raising a lot more hell. She's better than that. All you kids are. So is Kate Marsh.
Ja. Guck mal, das
But you
hab ich
treat
gesehen.
Kate pretty bad.
I shouldn't have said anything. You know about that video going around.
Is that why you hassled Kate yesterday? I took a photo of that moment for surveillance sake.
Oops.
Soldier, you don't have the facts. You think I'm a hypocrite because I want cameras around here for the safety of the students?
That'll take more than surveillance cameras.
It will take more than Ms. Grant and her petition to find missing students.
Isn't that your responsibility as head of security? Unless you know something about Rachel Amber that nobody else does.
I don't want to fight with you anymore. I don't want to fight with anyone anymore. That's all, Max.
Damit. Ich muss so nicht war für meinen David Madsen, aber ein ziemlich gut Gespräch.
These elite assholes throw a lot of big parties. Another
Also-
chance for Nathan Prescott to dose somebody.
Ja, ich schon noch nie so ein ehrliches Wort vom Mr. Security Guru da hören.
Trevor surveys
Respekt.
his domain. Trevor surveys his domain.
Yeah.
Courtney will do anything for Victoria and the Vortex Club.
Kann man brodle mal bisschen.
Hey, Courtney. Ciao, Max. No photos, please. I have to come
Oh,
up with a guest
bitch.
list for a Vortex Club soiree. Really? Oh, like you care.
Also mir ging schon gerne rankommen und ein bisschen investigationärer gehen.
I'm not anti-soiree. You seem anti-fashion, though. A Vortex Club party has a strict dress code. Do you even have a dress? Sorry, but nice try.
Bitch. Okay.
Hey, Courtney. Ciao, Mac. Really? Oh, like you...
Dress code? Oh,
I'm
nice.
sure the Vortex Club has a dress code. As you can see, I would need your advice on what to wear. Thanks, Max. I didn't think you noticed high fashion. Tell you what, I'll put you down on the guest list, and before the party, I can give you some tips. Cool.
Das geht schief.
Thanks, Courtney. I'll send you the party info later. Back to the list.
Damn it.
Courtney will do anything for Victoria and the Vortex Club.
We got in.
I should go
Yeah.
and see what I can learn.
Ja, ja. Climate change. Oh, einer so live. Ich will mit dir schwätzen. Oh, sie removen Händchen. Komm hier noch raus? Nee, ich kann mir vor dir entladen. Was ein Frechheit. Das ist jetzt bei so Toilette gekommen. Nee, kann doch nicht.
Does
Stop being a
anybody believe
loser.
this shit?
10. Oktober. Oh yeah.
I'm going to find out what happened to you, Rachel.
One time.
Blackwell sure takes its swimming seriously. Zachary always looks like he's ready to throw a football. Hello, Zach.
Sup, Max? It's weird to not see you without your camera.
I'm always taking pictures with my eyes.
I bet. As long as you don't talk to everybody about all that shit with the sext and Victoria.
It's over. I
I won't.
won't.
That's what Victoria wanted.
Yeah. I noticed she kind of set up her own drama, even if it fucks her over. Weird.
She doesn't have to, though.
That's what I don't get at all. When she's hot, rich, talented, what more does she need? Anyway, see you at the game Friday, Max.
Dann sind sie immer so beschäftigt, also musst du gehen, also bleiben stehen, also glotzen einfach so zu dir raus.
Look at these
Ai, ai, ai.
trophies. Gotta give it up for those Bigfoots. They do stomp.
Ja.
You can really learn a lot about a school by the weird shit posted on the boards.
Best singer ever, bad guitarist. Oh, getting band. Und der Champion an Jesus rekrutiert. Du kannst du noch hin, was mal lieber. Info zu dir ist. Ne, ne. Ja, also. Richtig mir cool. Hey girl. Schrödingers Katze. Guck, was da noch so
I
los
still
ist.
have
Oh, komm,
time.
warte.
I could go see Warren playing Mad Scientist. Luke is always using the phone as a shield to avoid people.
I saw Victoria and her friends shopping for the party.
Juliet is laying the smackdown on Zachary. Juliet is laying the smackdown on Zachary.
Okay, das hat man schon. Was Science Lab? Mrs. Green.
I wish I could bring a mini Warren with me to my science exams.
What, Mr. Warren? Show me your stuff.
Bring me the brain, Igor.
Brains.
There's Mr. Wizard hard at work.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Warren. Are you okay? You look thoughtful yet confused.
Maxwell Silver Hammer. Perfect timing. I need help with this chemical experiment.
Asking me for help means you're screwed.
I have to add either a bit of potassium or sodium. It's up to you to decide, Dr. Max.
Oh, XP. Wat aan zo? Beh.
I'm not sure why you're letting me decide your fate, but
Potassium.
go Tassium.
Potassium it shall be. If this works, you get a free hug.
Dat nou maar bloed aan.
Weird
Nice.
science.
Ah, kom.
It can't be that hard.
Hey, Warren.
Maxwell still
Asking me.
have that.
Oh, boom.
I actually think you should use a lot of potassium. I mean, a shitload.
See? Look
Okay.
at that smile. You're going to become a scientist yet. Let's do this thing.
Oh, mir sind so freck das, gell. Whoa, awesome.
She blinded me with science. Yes! That was a blast! But let's keep it a professional secret. Cool? Yes! That was a
War das
blast!
schon.
But let's keep it a professional secret.
Was spielst du? Was spielst du? Let me see. Ist ja echt so einen Film geguckt.
Howdy, Brooke.
Hi, Max. Making your daily rounds?
Ja.
I need to know if you can help me with a potassium experiment.
No can do, Max. I'm all about robotics, not chemistry. Give me a drone over a beaker.
I'm helping Warren with his latest experiment.
Oh, I guess he needed a neophyte assistant so he wouldn't be threatened. But you came to his rescue anyway.
You did good.
Apparently, it's my nature.
Yet Warren ignores the experts right in front of him. Not that he would ask me for help anyway.
Hat Spatz op hin.
How is your drone?
Miss Grant busted me flying it over the parking lot. She's all jacked up about surveillance bullshit. Like I was spying on Warren's new car.
You already planted a GPS on him?
I borrowed the one he has on you.
I hate to hit and run, but
Don't let me get in your way. So long.
Och, muss mir mal lekker fort. GPS in de oren gehad, hè?
I bet if I touch the glass, all these creepy sea critters will pop up.
Ik ga proberen dat maar. Ik heb me vol pans gerapt. Yay! Wir sind Rebell.
Or nothing will happen at all.
Ja, geil. Danke. Lekker lo. Nee. Wie schiel. Kom maar, dan Mrs. Grant episode.
Hi, Miss Grant.
Funny, I was just thinking about you, Max.
Oh, wirklich?
Thanks again for taking a stand against camera surveillance here. Every signature counts.
Ja, man. Oh, pardon. Das ist die voll verschnappt, das hat vergessen zu sollen.
Miss Grant, can I ask you a possibly dumb science question?
You know my
Anytime,
stock teacher
Max.
answer. There are no dumb questions. Ask away.
Would you add potassium or sodium to a chemical mix for this week's experiment?
Neither. Unless you want a face full of powder. I would add chlorine.
Oh, shit.
How's your campaign going?
You signed the petition, now it's your campaign too. Thanks for stepping up. More
Big up,
people
girl.
would rather send a text than sign a petition. That's
that
how they
stimmt.
keep us all distracted. Nobody will notice cameras on every square foot.
I know. I really hope you keep those cameras from taking over Blackwell.
Max, with students like you, we sure will.
Immer positiv.
I'm just thinking about all the autumn photos I want to take.
Oh, this is my favorite time of year. I do love the season change. This whole campus is a visual delight. I know Mr. Jefferson loves to shoot around here.
You know Jefferson?
You must know Mr. Jefferson pretty well by now.
I
Investigation.
certainly know him as a talented artist and terrific teacher. I've been here a little longer, but he's made a bigger mark. I have to say, it's not quite autumn enough yet.
What about that snow yesterday? What's your scientific explanation?
Our climate is moving beyond explanation. Of course, some of the tribes here might see it different.
I'm sorry, Miss Grant, but I have to get going.
Ja, schon
Go
cool.
on, Max. We'll talk again. Real soon.
Vielleicht können wir ihm so und soll da nicht rausstellen.
Yes! That was a blast! But let's keep it a professional secret. Cool?
Ah, ich meine, wir belassen wohl dabei. Das war cool.
What do you want? So you can't help me?
I'm trying, but you have to understand my position.
Oh nee, nee,
Why?
Kate.
You don't understand mine.
Wacht.
Nobody does. Nobody. Just leave me alone.
Oh. Nee, du gehst noch nicht lunch, nee.
What do you want from me?
Ich wollte euch just helfen, Mann. Kate.
Please, leave me alone.
Oh gut, schon probiert, ja. Sorry, Mann. Nee, heim muss ich eine spontane Cut machen, weil das, wo du noch könnt, das dauert einfach viel zu lang. Ich hatte gemeint, ich hatte Info Zeit für eine Cut zu machen. Mir das geht nicht, weil das verloren drucken ist so verwurelt am Dujenen, an episch geil, und ich einfach mich so weiterspielen und spontane Cut dazwischen machen. Ich bin froh, dass ich bis nur noch geguckt habe, bleibt rund, weil die nächste Folge, wir kommen in den Schluss. Also das gleich rüber und das geht total dekadent. Merci, bis zum nächsten Video. Ciao.